Exercise 1. Wide Grip Lat Pulldown. If your goal is a wide, V-tapered back, this one's a must. Grab the bar with a wide overhand grip and sit down on the machine with your spine tall. Pull the bar down toward your upper chest while squeezing your lats hard at the bottom. Control the bar as you return to the starting point, no rushing. Stick to 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives, resting 1 minute between sets. Exercise 2. Incline Dumbbell Row. This move builds thickness through your upper back and rear delts. Set an adjustable bench to about a 45-degree incline, lie chest down, and let the dumbbells hang straight down. Row both weights back toward your hips, squeeze your shoulder blades together, hold for a second, then lower slowly. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 solid representatives with a weight you can control. Exercise 3. Seated Row Machine. A beginner-friendly but powerful option to build middle back density. Adjust the seat and chest pad to your height, grab the handles with either a neutral or overhand grip, and pull them in while keeping elbows close to your body. Focus on contracting your rhomboids and mid-back, then return with control. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. Exercise 4. V-Bar Pulldown. This variation hits the lower portion of your lats for added width. Attach a V-bar handle to the pull-down machine, sit tall, and pull the handle down toward your upper chest while keeping elbows tucked in. Slowly release back to the top. Go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 5. Underhand Barbell Row. A heavy compound lift that nails the lower lats, mid-back, and even brings the biceps into play. Stand over the barbell, grip it shoulder width with an underhand grip, and hinge forward with a straight back. Row the bar into your lower stomach, squeeze, then lower under control. Use a lifting belt if needed. Hit 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 6. Lying Rope Cable Pullover. Lie flat on a bench set in front of a cable machine with a rope attachment. Grab the rope overhead, keep a slight bend in your arms, and pull it down toward your chest while stretching your lats at the top. This isolates the lats and even engages the chest slightly. You can also substitute with dumbbells. Go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives using lighter weight and strict form. Exercise 7. Pull UPS. The king of bodyweight back builders. Grab the pull-up bar with a grip slightly wider than your shoulders, hang fully, and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Control their way down. If you can't complete enough representatives, use resistance bands or ask a spotter for help. Do 3 sets to failure, pushing for as many clean representatives as possible.